One of the great debates in the SEO community right now, and really that has been there for the last couple of years, is are geotag photos worth it to actually drive more engagement to your Google business profile, get better rankings, and of course, more leads that turn into more sales. So is it worth it? Should you geotag or should you not? While the answer is widely up for debate, there's still a lot of uncertainty around this topic in general. But here's what we do know. Geotagging your photos on your Google business profile provides Google with highly detailed and reliable information, which is of course what they want. And the more that Google knows about your business, the more confident it is to go give you a ranking for a certain keyword and term, which is the whole point of search engine optimization. Geotagging a photo, most people have no idea what this actually means or even how to do it. So if you want to see a step-by-step process on how to geotag photos for your Google business profile to get more exposure, drive more leads into your business, and close more sales, then you'll want to watch this video. First things first, we need really good photos. Use photos of existing work, team members, etc. Use AI or stock images if needed, absolutely towards the end. If I'm talking about a pecking order, I'm talking about photos of your work, I'm talking about photos of legit team members and all of those things. And then at some point, you can eventually start to do stock images and AI if you absolutely need it. But don't start with that. Photos should include a mix of an interior and exterior work, photos of your location, obviously, as well. So like at your office, of the sign outside of your office, all those good things, product or service photos, team photos, as we've already mentioned, and then customer generated content. If you're taking pictures on projects or customers send in pictures of projects that you've already completed, as long as they have given you consent, those are great pictures to be able to use for your Google business profile. Photos should include and follow all of Google's guidelines. So format should be in JPEG or PNG, size between 10 KB and 5 MB, and resolution should be a minimum of 720px tall and 720px wide. So a lot of people post photos. I know I've done it in the past. If it doesn't follow one of those standards, it's gonna not give you a violation, but it's just not gonna post. So I'd ask you right now, as you're watching this video, are you currently geotagging your photos? Do you currently post photos to your Google business profile at all? Now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to actually teach you the effective and best way to geotag your photos. We use this platform, which you'll see right here. It's called GeoImager. There's a free plan and a pro plan. I do recommend just paying for the pro plan because it's only about $9 a month. And the free plan has a lot of the main features, but you can actually dial in specific addresses and just get things done a little bit more efficiently when you do it with the paid plan. So in my opinion, it's totally worth it. We are going to go right here and we are going to upload a photo. So what you will see right here is we have a before photo from one of our jobs that we've done for the auto glass company. So we have everything right here. So it'll give you the latitude and longitude automatically from just where it's being posted, but it's going out in the middle of the sphere of the world right now. So the cool part about this is you've gotten a photo, right, from a past job or whatever, and you want to dial in the specific address of where this job was done. Or let's say you're trying to navigate and get into a new city to do business. Well, even if this was not at a job, for example, of somewhere you wanted to be, you could go ahead and put this in there. So I'm just going to put in our office address at 12300 Old Tesson Road. You will then see that it has automatically pinned where the photo was typically like geotagged at. So you have the new updated latitude and longitude. I then write the EXIF tags. So I go ahead and I type that in, and then that's going to produce everything that we need there. It'll show you the existing stuff right here. Now from here, what is really, really important is to write keywords in tags. So typically what I'll go and do here is auto glass repair St. Louis. And then I will like have that as my main keyword. And I'm always wanting to make sure that I'm like switching these up. So not every single photo should be about auto glass repair and auto glass repair St. Louis. The next photo I might do St. Louis auto glass repair. But then I'm doing a description or alt text. So very similar like how you would do SEO on your website. So this is a picture of auto glass repair happening in St. Louis, Mo. And then it's good to download. So it's downloaded, it's ready to go. Now, the next key aspect of this is you want to take this photo. As you'll see it right here, it's just tagged as before one. So you will then want to go and rename it Auto Glass Repair St. Louis, or whatever keyword you had previously tagged to this right over there. So now you're good to go. Everything is ready to go. Now you're ready to get this uploaded onto the Google Business Profile. And this is even good to put on your website too. So that way, you know, it doesn't just focus on Google Business Profile, but that's probably the place that we see it most widely used. So if you're getting value from this video, then make sure to hit the like button, make sure to leave a comment, and hit the subscribe on our channel button, so that way you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. Now, as I mentioned, your photo is ready to take on to your Google Business Profile. It's really that simple. So yes, as you can see, it is easier to just go take a photo and upload it to your Google Business Profile, but it is time consuming, but it is effective. And there's all these different opinions on whether you should do it or whether you shouldn't do it. For how little time it actually took, you can knock out 10 photos like this super simple and quick. It does move the needle and can move the needle in a sane amount. So it's worth at least testing out. These are the little things that can have a massive impact for you. So if you want to scale your business, right, and you want to understand a little bit more about some of these strategies, whether it's personal branding, digital marketing, etc., and you need some assistance, head over to our free Facebook group. You'll see a link to that group in the description. You can also go over to Facebook and just type in Builders of Authority. We do daily content, live weekly trainings, etc. It's really incredible, some of the stuff that we have going on there. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you got value from this, if you started to implement some of these things. Let us know how it's going for you. And remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.